Top of the morning party, people. It's your girl KK, and I'm back with another vlog. And why? Because your girl is a vlogger now.
Could you be quiet? You look a mess. Like, why are you out here making noise? Like, you look a mess. And your eyebrows look a mess, and you got the nerve to be vlogging. Yeah, I'm doing you today. Yeah, you look a mess. Get yourself together and get off the camera. Goodness.
Follow me now. Let's get it popping, because she pissed me off already. I hate
First of
people
all,
try me
stop
early
yelling.
in the
It's
morning.
ridiculous.
Okay. Well, you guys, before I was just completely and utterly disrespected, I was trying to let you guys know that we're going to just run a few errands today. Probably not do anything fantastic. You know, I just get into any old thing. But who knows? Stay tuned. Let's just go.
I'm a mosquito, little nigga, come catch me. And that's my bestie, my best friend. Go best.
When you're working till 3, if you leave with me, girl, I need you gotta.
Wally World. Let's do this. Girl, look at this. One thing's for sure, as soon as you come to Walmart, stop here, beginning of the store. Grab some of these. These are the best. Caitlin, white chocolate pumpkin? Hold on now. Stop. Everything I need in one area. My favorite time. Guys, I really want an avocado, but I don't know how to pick them. Like what? No. It's supposed to be brown. This good? I don't know. I need help. My favorite aisle of all time. You guys, we need some strawberries because I'm going to make some strawberry banana pudding later on. So let's grab one of these. These look good. They're dark. I guess I'll go with those. And I want to do grapes, but what kind? Here he is organizing the cart. Right. He got to have OCD in the store. You guys, look at this giant box of Pop-Tarts I'm getting. I'm so happy. He got to organize the cart in the store.
Meat come out bust open, and then the jar is still open.
Look at this. The cart is loaded down to the ground. Look at the receipt. This is ridiculous. The amount of disrespect. Oh God, Walmart security. Walmart's finest, y'all. Katie, get it together. You can make it. So you guys, this is how our house looks when we're forced to unpack all these stinking groceries. I don't feel like it right now. Yo, I'm dead ass about to eat and let Babe do this, but y'all didn't hear that from me though. FYI, you guys, your girl loves pumpkin. Look at this. Like, pumpkin motherfreaking spice air freshener. Let's do this, y'all. I am a pumpkin fiend. Wait till fall. Wait till y'all see me vlogging in the fall. Matter of fact, I'm going to turn into a pumpkin. I'm going to be a pumpkin for Halloween. I will look so cute as a pumpkin.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So y'all remember them groceries we seen downstairs? I'm not putting that away. I'm not. I'm in bed. As y'all can see, I'm not doing that. I can't do that. Bad enough I have to walk around Walmart and then to think that I gotta put stuff away. Oh, my eyebrows again. Oh God, come on. You look crazy again. Damn. Anywho, I think Babe's down there putting them away. We're supposed to go to the beach, so I need to nap. Like, I can't. I don't even care anymore. Like, I just don't. I don't.
2 hours later.
This, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there. What them people say, I'm giving you whatever you want. Girl, you know I can.
Get out of the way.
Am I stranded or am I just chilling?
You're on a boat in the middle of the ocean and you're on a long fishing trip.
Do I have food?
You're fishing for food.
Can I keep it going?
Oh my God, it's doing that. fin thing. But they put the fin above the water.
Whoa. Yikes.
You see water over here? That's water.
Come here.
Come on, Saya. Come on. Over here. I know because I saw that.
Basking in the ambiance. Bask.